In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get LinkedIn Premium for free. Once you open your LinkedIn app, go to your profile. You will see at the bottom the word Try Premium for free. Tap. In here, you will see different questions. You can answer it or you can skip this part. And then click this Try 1 month free. The free trial lasts for 1 month and everyone can initiate it. Once you tap Try 1 month free, in addition, you will need to insert your card details or to choose your payment method. It could be your credit card, your debit card, or GCash. And then, after the free trial ends, your subscription will start automatically and you will be charged. But if you decide not to pay your subscription plan, you need to cancel the LinkedIn Premium free trial before it ends. So there you have it. You can get LinkedIn Premium for free. Furthermore, if you start a LinkedIn Premium free trial, you won't be able to have another one for at least the next 12 months. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.